the social media platform, especially, are extremely powerful. That means that you can have positive impact as well as negative one. And once again, follow Vola advice. Don't just to be strong, to appear like I don't know what, to not respect government, the minister, your competitor. At the end of the day, you will not be able to anything. So you have in your arms a very strong power. But
oh yeah, no. How do you feel?
I feel so great here. I was shaking. Superstars, yes, we won't quite check. You got it. Yes. Hello, everyone. First of all, thank you for coming. I'm thanking you because you are thinking about yourself. Most of you probably think you come and see Nanama, you see Bola, you see, Uncle 24 Cent, the young millionaire is here, and Caveman, and everybody that came to talk to you. I have a very simple way of talking. But first of all, I say thank you for coming. Thank you for thinking about yourself. I thought about you. And you coming here, it is for yourself. If you know that one, Sep Kakrama.